So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you're going from, want to say you're highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
We started that the volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
The closeness of a measurement to its accepted value that of a particular quantity or the physical quantity is referred to as what?
If I may accept your position.
Check accuracy.
Accuracy is for 10 points.
Hello, folks. We'd like to welcome you to the grand finals of the General Science Games for the schools. And with procrastinating time here, we'd like to go into some formalities before introduction. I'd like to go over to Thomas to say how did the schools get here. Thomas Tabet, how did the schools get here from the inception of the test of admittance up to the grand final?
Welcome to this encounter, and today mark the end of the General Science Quiz for 2024. And we have two schools that made it to the grand final. Two schools that made it to the grand final. Yeah, it's still CMFI Bilingual High School, and CMFI is from Montserrado County, and we have the College of West Africa, for short CWA, from Montserrado County also. So these two schools came in, and they were part of the 32 schools that qualified to take part in this program. They were part of the 32 schools that qualified to take part in this program. And they were part of the 32 schools that qualified to take part in this program. And they all play at least 4 games before reaching to this stage. They all play 4 games. So games played by College of West Africa. College of West Africa played Fifth Academy and won with a 40-point margin, that is 60 to 20 points. College of West Africa also won another game against the Bible Way, 60 to 10 points, and the margin was 50 points. And during the semifinal, College of West Africa played Jimmy Jodocom and won with a 5-point margin. So 45 to 40 with a 5-point margin. That's how College of West Africa came here. Moving on to CMFI. CMFI won her first game, and CMFI played against Tottenham Gray and won with another 5-point margin. That is 90 points to CMFI and -5 to Tottenham Gray. Another game played by CMFI was against the Detroit Memorial High School. CMFI won with a 20-point margin. Its actual score was 50 points to 30 points. And during the semifinal, CMFI played Parmelia and won with a 25-point margin.
Quarterfinal, not semifinals. Quarterfinal.
CMFI played Parmelia and won with a 25-point margin. The actual score was 65 points to CMFI and 40 points to Parmelia. So during the semifinal for both teams, College of West Africa played Chuvan. College of West Africa won with a 35-point margin, and the actual score was 70 points to College of West Africa and 35 points to Chuvan. And CMFI played Tigray during the semifinal. The actual score was 20 points to Tigre and 30 points to CMFI. So that's how both thing came here.
All right. Thank you. So let's move into the formalities of introduction. CMFI, 60 seconds.
Thank you very much for giving us the time to introduce our brilliant team. I brought with me one scholar of any years.
Melvin Kizzy, Melvin, all my names. Playing quizzing game today and prepare the record indoors.
TJR is the name. Nixie Sanga Nixie, all my names. As time goes by, I prefer to be called speed accuracy, recommendation, speed accuracy, of course.
CWA, 60 seconds.
Thank you, Fedman. Representing the forces then, I would like to recognize my coach, Sylvester Suda. Representing the forces then, I brought me a scholar to introduce yourself.
I'm PL Designer Expo. For this match and the fact that I'm writing watch tomorrow, I prefer to be called watch ball.
C4H9NO2 is my chemical identity. Sadaya Davis is my name. Using pure today, just call me the most handsome scientist Kaba. What?
So folks, once you are highly welcome again. The name is Thomas T. Tappet Jr. I'm the CEO of School Profile Liberia and one of the partner in this partnership. I want to say you are highly welcome to the end of the Science Quiz Bowl edition 2024.
There's a boozers. Here's the first question. My name is Willie Bedell. Here's the first question. If red blood cells are called erythrocytes or erythrocytes, if white blood cells are called leukocytes, how do we call platelets?
Take the trombo side.
Questions number two. Questions number two. Questions number two. Arenas, Bromstead, and Laurie all described the nature of acids and bases in chemistry. If I am correct, who was the Danish chemist working on the Carlsberg beer who developed the pH scale?
How is he called?
How is he called?
Take Soren P. Sorenson.
Soren P. Sorensen, Big Ten.
Every day you are sounding low.
Right. Give me a split second. Give me a split second. Give me a split second. So Thomas' score is 10. 10. Am I audible now? Am I audible?
Yes.
All right. The question is going to be number 3.
Yeah.
Emphasis. The theory that shows unifications of strong and electroweak forces is called what? Emphasis. Emphasis. The theory that shows the unification of strong and weak forces is called what?
Yeah, I'm getting you. Again.
Take
low.
electroweak theory.
Wrong. Emphasis. The theory that shows the unification of strong and weak forces is called what?
Yes, take electromagnetic theory or light.
the Grand Unified Theory. Thomas.
So, folks, that's how we come to the end of the first three questions. The score is 10 points to College of West Africa and 10 points to CMFR. The margin remains zero in favor of the moderating pool. So, without much time to waste, we'll move on to the next three questions, starting with question number 4. The question is question number 4, and I read for both schools. Question number 4, and I read, what is the scientific name for chicken?
Chick, Carlos domesticus or Carlos.
Come again.
Carlos.
Modifa for the last time.
Carlos domesticus.
Don't say anything.
Carlos
Stay
domesticus.
there. Don't say anything. Stay there. Stay there and don't say anything.
Take 10.
Stay there and don't say anything.
Thomas. 10.
Let me verify something. Please. Please take control.
Verify, Thomas. Verify from my end.
From your end? Okay.
Yeah. Take 10.
Take 10. 10 points.
Yeah. Yeah, what's
Yeah,
the
what's the
point?
point?
The correct answer is Carlos domestica.
No, it can be.
Yeah, the
It
correct
can
answer
be
is Carlos
wrong.
domestica.
Listen, it can be 3. There are 3
But
variations.
you try to make him say Carlos,
No,
Carlos domestica.
hold on. Hold on. It can be 3 variations. It can be Gallus domestica. It can be Gallus. Or it can be Gallus domesticus.
Yeah, 3. Sure. Give
There
me
are 3
Carlos.
variations.
Yeah, sure.
Gallus
Carlos.
domestica, or Gallus domesticus.
Yeah, sure. So 3. Anyone can hold. 3. Chuckton is coming with another device. Let's see.
Hold on there. Okay.
Hello, Chuckton?
Yeah, try me that you can log us in from the other.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, want to say you are highly welcome. You are just joining us, want to say you are highly welcome. The score is 20 points to CWA and 10 points to CMFI. 20 points to CWA and 10 points to CMFI. So, wherever you join from, I want to say you are highly welcome. This is the grand final. This is the grand final, and this grand final is between College of West Africa and CMFR. And on paper, we have the score to be CWA 20 points and CMFR 10 points. Are you guys set?
Yeah, let me just set up the phone.
Can you lower it a little bit?
Yeah, I'm trying to do that. Just give me a minute.
We need to be able to see the bell. Keep bringing it down. They will say stop. Keep bringing it down. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Can you dress it on the left or on the right? Dress it on the right so we can see the other bell. No, the other way. The other way. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. They say stop. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, it's okay. Thank you. All right, Thomas, please go ahead.
So question that was question number 4. That was question number 4. If you are just joining us, the score is 20 points to College of West Africa and 10 points to CMFR. And that was question number 4. The question is question number 5, and I read for both schools. Question number 5. And I read, a type of electromagnetic radiation with a wavelength shorter than that of visible light but longer than X-ray is referred to as what?
See.
It's referred to
CMFI.
as what?
And what is the answer?
Take ultraviolet light.
Ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light is precise for 10 points. 10 points. The question is question number 3. Question number 3. And I read for both schools. A system of stimulus and response correlative to population density used by bacteria to coordinate gene expression according to the density of their local population is referred to as what? I read again. A system of stimulus and response to coordinate a population density used by bacteria to coordinate gene expression according to the density. What is the answer, Culture West Africa?
Yes, my answer is sampling. Population sampling.
Population sampling is not correct. The question, CMFI. A system of stimulus and response coordinated to population density used by bacteria to coordinate gene expression according to density of their local population is referred to as what? The answer.
Gramstein.
Gramstein is wrong. The Coulomb sensing weapon precise. The Coulomb sensing weapon precise. Is that one?
No.
And that's how we come to the end of question number 6. If you are just joining us, that's how we come to the end of question number 6.
And the question is going to be number 7. Pen to paper. Pen to paper. How many molecules of SO3 are needed to react with 144 molecules of Fe2O3, given that the balance equation is Fe2O3 plus 3SO3 U Fe3 parenthesis open SO4 closes 3. How many molecules of SO3 are needed to react with 144 molecules of Fe2O3, given that the balance equation is Fe2O3 plus 3SO3 yield Fe2 parenthesis opens SO4 equals 3. How many molecules of SO3 are needed to react with 144 molecules of Fe2O3, given that the balance equation is Fe2O3 plus 3SO3 yield Fe2 parenthesis opens SO4 equals 3. CWA.
Yes. I'll go for 432.
432 is precise and correct for 10 points. The question is number 8. The reflection of light traveling through a medium with a large refractive index at a boundary of a medium with a low refractive. Complete.
Or the reflection of light at a boundary or two transparent media when the angle of incident is the critical angle, it refers to as what?
Let me get your answer.
Total reflection.
Total reflection.
Total
Total reflection. Can't make you another answer. Let me get other answer again.
Total internal reflection.
Total reflection. Total internal reflection. Take 10.
Taga.
And this is the last question in the first half. A sinuous extension of the eutoplasmic membrane performing a vigorous wave-like and reversible movement where the flagellum is connected is called what? A sinuous extension of the cytoplasmic membrane performing a vigorous wave-like and reversible movement where the flagellum is connected. Let's go on. The place where the flagellum is connected in a cytoplasmic cell is called what?
Take the anapo.
Wrong. Yep.
Yes, I'll go by the flash in the board.
It's called the undulating membrane. The undulating membrane. Thomas, start over to you for the second half.
So, folks, without much time to waste, move directly into the second half, starting with question number 1. Sorry. The question is question number 1, second half, and I read for both schools. Question number 1, and I read. What is the centripetal force needed to keep a 1 kilogram object moving in a cycle with a radius of 5 meters and a velocity of 10 meters per second? I read again. What is the centripetal force needed to keep a 1 kilogram object moving in a cycle with a radius of 5 meters and a velocity of 10 meters per second? College of West
Yes,
Africa.
20 Newton.
College
20
of
Newton.
West Africa take 20 meters. I'm deeply afraid. And I'm deeply afraid. But I'm also excited to know that you come with 20 meters per second or 20 Newton. 20 Newton is precise for 10 points. Take 10 points for 20 Newton.
Oh, Thomas, what's the score from your paper?
The score here is, I think it's 50. It's 50. 50 to College of West Africa and 20 to CMFI. It's 50. Welcome. And that was question number 1, second half. The question is question number 2, second half. And I read for both schools. Second half, question number 2. The stick part of the stamen, the male part of the flower, which hold the atol up to expose it to insect or the wind for pollination, is referred to as what? I read again. CMFI.
It's referred to as what?
And what is the answer?
Take androsium.
I can accept that. CWA. The question. I saved my breath. And what is the answer?
Take filament.
Filament is also wrong. Filament we are being precise. 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 Filament.
Yeah,
You can multiply.
So you see, he says filament. He says filament.
No, I don't filament.
You said C.
FR again.
No, you said C.
FR, filament. I just see FR.
CW, you said C.
FILAMENT.
Yes.
No, Seigneur,
Yes.
allez, filament, filament.
Filament.
No, no,
That's what I
allez,
said.
Hold on, guys. You have to rewatch your video. You said C. Continue, Thomas.
no,
Please
Seigneur,
go ahead.
Seigneur,
You can
CW, you
spell
said
it.
allez, filament.
FILAMENT.
you
Seigneur,
said
allez,
C.
filament, Seigneur, allez, si, no, no, allez, si.
No, you said C. Thomas, please go ahead.
Seigneur,
Question
Seigneur,
is
allez, filament,
question.
Seigneur.
The question is
Seigneur,
question
allez,
number
filament.
3. The question is question number 3. Question number 3. The question is question number 3, and I read. Question is question number 3, and I read for both schools. The study of the spatial arrangement of atoms in molecule and the effect of this arrangement on the property of the molecule is referred to as what? The answer.
Take periodic chemistry.
Your question, CMFI. The study of the spatial arrangement of atoms in molecules and the effect of these arrangements on the property of the molecule is called what?
Atomic chemistry.
Stereochemistry would have been precise. Stereochemistry would have been precise. And that's how we come to the end of the third question in the second half.
All right. And we'll move on to number 4. A form of taxes. A form of taxes. TAXIS. Characterized by the directional movement of an organism in response to gravity is called what?
Or we respond to gravity, they refer to as what?
Yeah, what is it?
Geotrophy.
Wrong. CMFI. A form of taxis characterized by the directional movement of an organism in response to gravity is called what?
Gravitropism.
Take 10.
Seigneur, my answer is correct.
Why your answer is correct?
Geotrophy and gravitropism is the same. You can check it out.
I threw the question out.
Sure, exactly.
Yes, Seigneur.
I threw the question out.
Question is true out.
I threw the question out. The question is going to be number 4. The removal of a functional group, that is X or OH, in an H atom from an adjacent carbon in a reaction involving alcohol or alkali halides.
It refer to as what?
Mm-hmm.
Take esterification.
I won't take it. CMFI.
Ah,
The removal of the functional group X or OH in a H atom from an adjacent carbon in a reaction involving alcohol or alkylate halides is referred to as what?
Take dehydrogenation.
It's called elimination. Elimination. And the question is going to be number 5. Pen to paper. Questions number 5. Pen to paper. The focal length is given by the equation. F is equal to dr times do divided by do plus dr. I come again. The focal length of a mirror is given by the equation. F is equal to di times do divided by do plus dr, or divided by do plus dr. Again, F is equal to dr times do, or divided by do plus dr. Here's the question. A person standing 6 meters from a convex mirror forms a virtual image that appears to be 1 meter behind the mirror. CWA. What? Complete my question.
If so, what is the focal length?
What is the focal length?
Yes, I will go for 6 over 7 meters.
Wrong. Wrong.
6 over 7 meters.
Wrong. CMFI. A person standing 6.0 meter from a convex mirror forms a virtual image that appears to be 1 meter behind the mirror. What is the focal length of the mirror? You got 20 seconds. Ten
Yes,
seconds.
our answer is 0.5 Yes, I can take 0.76 meters.
Don't waste my time. CW, you saw a mistake. 1.2. 1.2. 1.2. Yeah, CW.
Yes, but if you have a one,
Yeah. What is dr times do?
looking at the formula,
Hold on. Let's do it fast. What is dr times do?
dr you gave the value for dr, you said 1,
Minus 1.
and do was 6.
Minus 1. Minus 1 appears behind the mirror.
Tell
Minus
what tell
1.
you.
You said 1.
Benny tell one.
You're not listening
Tell
to
one.
yeah, but you're not listening to the question. That appears behind the mirror. 1 meter behind the mirror. Behind minus 1.
Yeah,
1 minute behind minus 1. And the question is going to be number 6. The question is going to be number 6. The fusion or the union of a male and female gametes in sexual reproduction is called what?
it's spread to as well.
Answer.
Take fertilization.
CWA. The fusion or the union of the male and female gametes in sexual reproduction is called what?
Take Sagot.
It's called amphimexis. Amphimexis. Thomas.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, want to say you are highly welcome. Still with us, the score is 50 points to College of West Africa and 20 points to CMFR. The margin is 30 points in favor of College of West Africa. We have 3 more questions to climax this game. Without much time to waste, we move on to question number 7. Question number 7. The question is question number 7, and I read for both schools. Question number 7, and I read. The force exerted on a charged particle in an electromagnetic field is referred to as what?
Yes, I'll go by electrostatic force.
I can accept that. The force exerted on a charged particle in an electromagnetic field is referred to as what?
Take electromagnetic force.
The Lorentz force we have been precise. The Lorentz force we have been precise. Lorentz force we have been precise. The question is question. The question is question number 8, and I read for both schools. Question number 8. Imagine with an input energy of 1,000 joules produce an output work of 200 joules. What is its efficiency? I read again. Imagine with an input energy of 1,000 joules produce an output work of 200 joules. What is its efficiency?
Yes,
CWA.
I'll go for 50%.
CWA. You'll go for 50%. No, I can't accept that. I can't accept that. Your question CMFI. And I read. Imagine with an input energy of 1,000 joules. Oh. Yeah, I come again. Imagine with an input joules of imagine with an input energy of 1,000 joules produce an output work of 200 joules. What is its efficiency?
Take 20%.
20% is precise for 10 points. Take 10 points for 20%.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The question has problem. It cannot be 20%.
it's 20%. 20%. Give me a chance.
Because
Hello. Give me a chance. The efficiency is equal to the output work or input work
times
times
100.
100%. Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
You gave 1,000 joules and 2,000 joules.
200. I didn't say 2,000. 200. 200 joules and 1,000 joules. I didn't say 200. I didn't say 2,000. The question is question number last question to climax this game. The question is question number last, and I read for both schools. The score is 30 points to CMFR and 50 points to CWA. 30 points to CMFR and 50 points to CWA. The margin is 20 points in favor of CWA. The question is question number 9, the last question to come out this game, and I read for both schools. A weak bond between two molecules resulting from an electrostatic attraction between a proton in one molecule and an electronegativity atom in another is referred to as what? I read again. A weak bond between two molecules resulting from an electrostatic attraction between a proton in one molecule and an electronegative atom in the other is referred to as what?
Take
What is the answer? Come again?
Electrocovalent bond.
You are wrong. The question: a weak bond between two molecules resulting from an electrostatic attraction between a proton in one molecule and an electronegative atom in the other is referred to as what? What is your answer?
I will take hydrogen bond.
Hydrogen bond is precise for 10 points. 10 points for hydrogen bond. And folks, that's how we come to the end of this game. The score is 60 points to College of West Africa and 30 points to CMFI. The margin is 30 points in favor of College of West Africa.
All right. So before any proclamation, I'll move over to CM. You have 15, give our feedback, 15, 30 seconds.
Yes, thank you for the game. And it was okay. Thank you.
All right. CWA, feedback.
I want to thank the school over Liberia Board for sending us such competition. Last year, as I said, from the beginning of this competition, I reached the semi-final and then I was kicked out. And I said to myself that I cannot drop again when I reached as far as the semi-final. And when I entered the final, I try hard to become victorious and I am. And thanks to my teammate, Sadaya David.
Okay, guys. So the message is always simple. The message is always clear. We just do this to keep you busy. We do this to keep you reading. We do this for you to have the fundamentals that you need to prepare you for the future. All right. And as you're going to take WAS tomorrow, we send our blessings behind you and wish you God's speed through the process. Assistance, the College of West Africa, you won this game with 60 points, and you are the victor, chosen from a pool of over 32 schools through 7 counties. You are the victor of the grand final. You scored 60 points, and congratulations to you. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Thomas Tape.
So, folks, first I want to say thank you for following this program. To all those following, graduates and scholars that are following, I want to say thank you for taking your time to follow this program. By following, you somehow encourage the students to do what they do best. I want to say thank you again to the administrators of every school that allowed their students to take part in this bowl game. We are very, very grateful to every school administrator or administration and to both schools in studio. You guys came this far because you put in the work, did not just sit to come this far. There were a lot of Google schools or TEFA students that were in this program. Reaching this far, I mean, you all are all winners. Starting with CMFI, thank you for the good work. I think probably we will see you during the general bowl game for this year, and you are already in 12th grade. I think both students is your co in 12th grade too. CMFI
Yeah.
is your co-player in 12th grade also or 11th
No, no,
grade.
no. 10th
Okay,
grade.
so 10th grade. Okay, then you got 2 more years with us on this program. You have 2 more years with us. But however, we want to say congratulations and to CWA, our student co-set. They were defeated last year during the I think semi-final. They were defeated last year in the semi-final, and I think they put in the work with a trumpet player, Kaba, 1-in-1, most beautiful quizzer ever. And I think he did his best and he showcased himself. So we want to say congratulations to both schools, and we want to say we wish every 12th graders out there a successful pass in the WAS and the more they are taking now. So to the audience, we want to say that's how we come to the end of the 2024 edition, the General Science Quiz Book Game for Liberian School. We have our new winner to be College of West Africa. So College of West Africa, I think for the past 3 years for the bowl games when it comes to the Science Field or the Science Bowl, it is always in Grand Bassa. It's always won by schools or students from Grand Bassa. This year, College of West Africa changed it, and we want to say congratulations to College of West Africa.
All right.
After out of 32 schools. Thank you.
All right. So to the students, you can leave. You can leave studio now. So the coordinators, if you're around, you can just hop on. Hello.
So, folks, so a quick announcement. Actually, uh, the map was usually play in May or June, but because of the WAS this year, we have to wait until after the WAS before we commence the math book. So we wish every schools out there or students out there a successful pass and a successful preparation for the WAS. So we will pause the math book until after the WAS.
Yes, if effectively immediately after the was, we take a week, maybe a day of, it could be either Monday or it could be Tuesday. We have the test of admittance, and after the test of admittance, effectively that Saturday or that weekend of that week, we'll move on straight into the math, and right after the math, we'll move on to the general quiz. So, folks, I think that's all from our end. Thank you for the time, Thomas, the coordinators, Cross Nimba, Bong, Bomi, Margibi, Grambasa, um, Lofa County, Montserrado. We say hats off to you. You guys did the heavy lifting, and we appreciate your time. We appreciate your efforts, and I hope the students, the schools, as well as the parents, also appreciate the level of work you put into. So that's all from our end. Thank you. Bye bye.